final part of the Banana Night printing project, the giant printing project. It all started with this little guy. There you go. Focus, focus, focus. Yes-ish. 28mm mini, upscaled 25 times, and I think I'm 12 rolls of PLA in. I'm going to have to zoom the camera out so you can actually see this giant Banana Night. Are you ready? I've had to take the camera back to get him in. A 28mm model, 25 times the scale. Here we go. Boom. Here he is. I can tell you he weighs quite a lot. There's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's probably 10 or 12 rolls of PLA. Are they a pound each? So you can imagine what he weighs. He's largely hollow, with just the standard lattice infill, but I did quite thick walls so he would be quite solid. He is massive and weighs a ton. The colours I think have worked out really well. I am not going to paint him. I've been looking at him. There is the differences in the yellows, but actually it's I don't know how well it comes out on camera, but it almost looks like shading to me. And when you see him stood, it just looks like it's meant to be part of the model, particularly as the way the colour comes down one side. I'm really pleased with it. What am I going to do with it? I'm going to take it down to my workshop, I'm going to mount it on the wall, and I'm going to use him as a great distraction technique for customers when I tell them how much their modelling work's going to cost. The sword is a little sharp. Never really thought about that, but yeah, might have to be careful with that, or I could easily have somebody's eye out. It's only plastic, but it is quite a firm plastic. So there he is. Started this, oh gosh, a couple of years ago now, with the kind loan of the Ender printer when I was moving over all that time ago from my Wanhao printers to Ender printers. I will say that has been a success. I'm still using the Enders. I replaced them all. Took me a few months to get really used to them, really intimately into them, like I did with my old ones, so I knew exactly what they were doing, when they were working well, when they weren't, what I needed to do. And to this day they're still serving me really well, and this guy was 100% printed on the Ender 3. So there you go, there he is. Here's the 28mm original. I bet you can't really see it from there, I'll have to zoom back in, but there's the big boy. I'll put links to the files below. I have uploaded, if anyone's mad enough to want to print one themselves, I've uploaded the files to Thingiverse. The original 28mm up there. I'll put links to my entire Thingiverse so you can see all my other models. If you want to say thanks, show appreciation, or get access to my model sets, including many more Banana Nights, I will also put a link to my Patreon. I'd appreciate everyone's support there. Thank you very much. Thanks for tagging along if you've stayed with all 5 parts over the last, yeah, I'm pretty sure it must be best part of 2 years. So it's finished. It's been a long time. Thank you. Bye.